Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we'll be taking a look around number 62 Dargate Road. Now, this property is a 2-bedroom detached bungalow, and it is presented immaculately. As you go around, you're going to see exactly what I mean by that, and you're going to see what's on offer here. And as you can see, you've got plenty of space to the front. You've got a lovely big driveway, and the back garden comes with a little surprise as well that we'll go through and show you a little bit later on. But without further ado, of course, this is 62 Dargate Road, and after having a little look outside, we're going to go inside and show you exactly what we've got on offer there. So here we are in the main entrance hall, and the first room that we're going to take a look at is actually the lounge. And the lovely thing about this lounge space is that wonderful log burning stove there that you've got in the fireplace, that lovely beam across the top there. It's a wonderfully cozy room. It's dual aspect with those 2 windows, so you've got all that natural light flooding through, but it feels very cozy, very enclosed, and is a very nice and relaxing space that you can enjoy with the family at the end of a day. Let's go through now and take a look at the bathroom, and you'll see it's a really nice space. Of course, it's finished immaculately again here. You've got that nice modern finish in here, got that lovely big bath there, and you've also got the shower unit there as well. We'll turn around and take a look at that, but again, you've got that nice big window at the side there letting plenty of light in. It's a really nice modern space. So we find ourselves now in bedroom number 2, a really nice sized room. You've got that window at the side letting nice amounts of light in, and it's again decorated really nice and cleanly and modern as well. So here we are in the master bedroom, and the first thing you notice, you've got those lovely fitted wardrobes there on the left hand side, the mirrored sliding door wardrobes, and you've got that lovely big window there with the radiator underneath letting plenty of natural light through. But again, you see the finish in here is wonderful. There's genuinely nothing to do whatsoever with this property, which makes it such a nice easy option for somebody. You don't want to have to go into a property and start doing work. You want to move straight in and find that there's nothing to do. So we'll go through and take a look at the kitchen here, and again you see it's a nice modern fitted kitchen, and you've got space for plenty of appliances here. You've got the gas hob, the electric oven underneath there, but you've got the space for the washing machine as well. And you can see it's a wonderful size. You've got plenty of space in here for a dining room table, so if you wanted a little breakfast area here or a little reception space for the family to congregate in at the end of the day, this room is perfect for it. But you do have the conservatory just off of this space as well, which we'll go through and take a look at now. So through the French doors we go into this wonderful, wonderful conservatory. Now it's a lovely space. You've got the French doors at one end, you've got that lovely door there open on the left hand side, and you can get the most out of your garden by bringing the outside inside with this space. It is lovely. And whether or not you'd like to use this as a reception space with a few sofas, or perhaps as a dining room, it's completely up to you, but this room is usable all year round. And the garden here is immaculate as well. So to have that lovely view out from this conservatory is just wonderful. You can see there you've got that nice radiator in the corner, so you can genuinely use this room all year round. Now we're going to go outside now and take a look at what's on offer out here, because this is a really, really lovely and well organised garden. So now that we're in the garden, you'll see it's divided into two sections, which gives you a nice easy space to maintain. Of course, it measures about 120 foot in length, which is a really, really fantastic size. And you can see you've got there a few outbuildings, and we're going to go and show you each one as we go. But in total, you've got the log store, you've got the garden room, you've got a lovely big storage area, you've got a workshop here as well. There is an abundance of really well used space out here. It's absolutely brilliant. So let's go and take a look at what's inside these buildings out here. First room we'll come to is the log store. Of course, you've got the lovely log burning stove in the lounge, and your heating isn't dependent on the log burning stoves. It's all gas here, but it's nice. It's a nice option to have in the winter months to get the log burner on in there, making a really nice and cozy enclosed space. And as we come through here to the garden room, you'll see another log burner. So this space can be just for you. You can use this space to relax in all year round. It's just your space, and a lot of time, care and attention has gone into creating everything with this property. And I'll leave off by saying I really hope that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies, find out a little bit more about it. Location wise, it's brilliant. Dargate Road is in Yorkletts, and you're pretty much equal distance from Whitstable in Canterbury. You're only a short car journey away from both. It's absolutely wonderful, and like I say, please give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies.